Today on site is a fantastic milestone where we've celebrated the installation of the final cross-laminated timber panel, which completes the timber structure installation.
This is a globally cutting-edge building. This is about setting a standard that students now expect and are looking for their universities to meet. So for students at Murdoch, it really is an amazing opportunity.
It's one of the biggest timber structures of the Southern Hemisphere, so we are very proud to build this, and that too, finishing off all these structural works without any safety incident has been absolutely fantastic for us.
So from a sustainability perspective, in addition to the utilisation of mass engineered timber, which is a fully renewable resource, this building will also incorporate 450 kilowatts of PV cells, which will provide solar generation to this building. And in addition to that, the building is designed to achieve a 6-star Green Star rating, which is the highest rating possible. So, as a university, we're really proud of what's being delivered and look forward to celebrating its success well into the future.
We don't do this for every day, and there's only a handful of places in Australia, or not too many structures in Australia that features very long span timber structures. Timber structures and long span is quite difficult to do, and we definitely push the boundaries of engineering of what's possible on this project.